So this is the thank you page. The page where you go once you have entered your email on the dynamic capture page that I showed you in the previous video. So this is the thank you page. Um, Something that I didn't mention last time, it is that this magic capture page just ask the visitor email address once. If this visitor has already given his email address to see a YouTube video or a link, he will not have to give it again. The magic capture page just redirect to this thank you page immediately. And so this button, the continue button, has always a link to what you send people to. For instance, on your Facebook profile, you say, oh, just watch this video, and you send with a link to the capture page. If this person who clicks has already given previously 1 day or 1 month before, he has already given his email address, he doesn't see the capture page. He sees immediately this one. So he clicks, congratulations, just one more click to continue. And when he clicks on continue, he will go to the YouTube video that you gave in your Facebook post. But also, he say, but please do not leave this page without grabbing your 2 gifts. What are the 2 gifts? It's Builderall, because as I told you, the lead capture page opens a free Builderall account. So he has already, the visitor already has a Builderall account. And they say your voice on internet, so for Builderall, sign in with your email address and your password, I love Builderall. Because when the account has been created, the password, the default password, is always I love Builderall. So when they click on sign in, they go directly to the back office of Builderall. They are already connected because the account is opened. They are connected in this browser. But if they want to log out and log in again, they know what is their password, which they can change anyway. So this is the first gift, and the second gift is RPM. So I say, sign in with your email address and your favorite password. Because on the lead capture page, since they open a Builderall account, I made an automation that all my Builderall leads also are signed up in Rapid Profit Machine with my affiliate link. So they are already in both systems, but for RPM, you can do more. You can also subscribe to the members area. You can buy RPM or you can buy other products. It's not only one product, it's a suite of products. So I send them again to not a capture page because they are already in the system, but to the page where you can open your membership area, where in fact the funnel, the following of the funnel after the capture page of RPM. It's a VSL link. So that's the one I use inside here. If you know RPM, you know what I'm talking about. And so they go through the funnel for the first time for them because they never went to RPM. They just went to my capture page, and this opened them two more accounts and also subscribe them to my mailing list. For my main mailing list, I mean the one I use in Build and Roll, my site. I have a mailing list for this, and also I have a mailing list for my Builderall leads, and also I have a mailing list for my RPM leads. Okay, so this person is in one, they give their email address one time and they are in my free list, number 3. Okay, so in all those lists they don't talk about the same thing, but they talk so immediately. That's why at the bottom I say, also do not forget to check your email. I have just sent you a message, because of course they will receive messages from my mailing boss. So when I will just show you what happened when they see it. The first time there is some animation, it looks nice. And this button is always the one they want to click to continue. So day to day, you always talk about things, but you always send links which goes through your magic capture page, so that new people, new visitor who click, they have to enter their email address, and the one who follow you already, so they have already given you their email address, they just click and they come to this page and they can continue to whatever you were talking about this day. But they always have the links to the gifts they got when they first enter their email address. The Builderall back office, and here the start of the RPM funnel. So they can always go back to those two gifts, and you promote day to day, you promote YouTube videos, links to sites that you have seen. And you know, this link to your magic capture page, you should always put them, if you have a YouTube channel, always put them at the first line of the description, so that every video that you publish on your YouTube channel, they act as a source of passive traffic to your magic capture page, and so to your Builderall leads and RPM leads also. So you should always use the links with an S to your magic capture page for everything you do online. From when you start to use this system, you always send people with links that goes first to your magic capture page. And remember that if they have already given their email address, they don't have to give it again. They go directly to this page. So it's not a problem to do that. That's it. Bye bye.